everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of making a trifold brochure using Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and in the search bar, type trifold brochure. Choose a suitable template from the options provided and click to open it. Next, click on Customize this template. Double-click on the text to edit and customize it according to your brochure content. If you have a website link, you can add it to the text. Delete the existing images. Replace the existing images by dragging and dropping your own images into place. You can also adjust the background and shade colors to match your branding or design preferences. Once you're satisfied with your brochure design, go to Share and click on Download. Select the PDF file type and then click on Download to save your brochure. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.